Well, hello, everybody. So listen, we at the new house, right? We stayed here this weekend. We come down and stay every weekend to get work done, do things to the house, and get prepared for when we move on June 1st. But I got something interesting to show y'all. Now, while we were away, a, um, a robin made a nest in our bathroom window and laid eggs. I'm gonna show y'all her eggs. I can never open this window because I ain't trying to break my fingernails. But hopefully y'all could see her little nest. Now last week when we was here, that little bird was so determined. As you see, we've been cutting down everything, all the trees and stuff. Daddy just cut that tree today. Uh-oh, come on, focus. Okay. Daddy cut that tree today. So, we've been just, doing work around the property, clearing it out so we could see all the property line and get ready to do some things. I'm put a swimming pool back there and some seating, and I'm gonna make a oasis over there with like the pond with koi fish, and we plan to have a lot of water features on the property, but never mind that. This is like incredible. We knocked this little nest down twice. Last Friday when we came, she was making it and it was almost finished. And I was like, no, I don't want it right there in the window. I knocked it out, and it was real hard too. The nest, it'd be like she put clay and mud in it too, and then put a lot of twigs and leaves and stuff around it. It was hard, like a bowl. So I knocked it down, threw it out in the dirt, because I ain't want her in the window. Before we left after last weekend, by Sunday morning, she had done came back and started another nest. So I was like, okay, well, if the house is playing host to a bird, she ain't gonna hurt nobody right here. And then something said, well, maybe she trying to, she getting ready to have babies. So leave her alone. So I didn't knock the nest down no more. We came back this weekend. Not only did she remake the nest, but she had 3 little eggs. So I did some research. Me and Daddy did some research just now on how long it's going to take for these eggs to hatch. So by next weekend, it say 2 weeks, but we're not sure what day she laid these eggs. So by next weekend, when we come back, maybe they'll be hatched. Oh, there she is. And there she goes. It's a robin. Yeah, she never goes far. She goes to get something to eat, and you see how she flew back. She kind of be uncomfortable Well, that was cool. I got a good glimpse of her. She flew back to the nest. Yeah, she down there eating something. So yeah, so we got a lot of work done. We cleared out a lot off of the back of the property. So this is our backyard that stretches all the way back there. You can't hardly see the rest of it. So I'm gonna leave her alone because I know she wanna come back and sit on the eggs and keep them warm. They say it's gonna thunderstorm, so I know she'll be in the nest sitting on the eggs. But it's amazing to think that little bird laid such big eggs. Them eggs look like the size of Easter egg candies. You know what I mean? Them eggs got to be about that big. You know? So yeah, we've been peeling all the stickers off of the bathtub. Daddy peeled the stickers off of the tub. So all we gotta do is get ready to start decorating. A lot of the rooms are still empty because our move-in date is gonna be like the week of June 1st. So the rooms are still empty. We just been living out of the great room. We met our neighbors. Our neighbors on this side, they're really, really nice. I haven't gotten a chance to introduce myself to them yet, but my husband met them. And they're building a gazebo out in their backyard, and my husband helped them take the wood for their gazebo from over here back there. They're going to build their gazebo back there in their backyard. So they're really nice. I can't wait to meet them. From what my husband said, they're really, really nice. That's Isaac's room, and it's still empty. No, that's Lance's room. No, this is Isaac's room. Yeah, this is Isaac's room. Hi, Isaac. Hi. Yeah, so we're gonna get ready to pack up. Bring the toothbrushes. Bring the toothbrushes out of there. Yeah, we're gonna take them back. Our toothbrushes back. And it's my table. I just put up fabric at the windows. Here's some swatches that of color that I haven't decided. Well, I have decided. I'm gonna let you guys see what the colors are real quick, because I'm gonna paint. This is my dining room. I'm gonna paint it over. So these are the colors. That one is Moose Moose. Hop sack. Cream in my coffee. Over here, Dune. Desert Fortress. I don't know what's that. Mr. Thumbleweed. Morning Coffee. That's a pretty color. Dust Bunny. I fell in love with Dust Bunny. Bungalow White. So these are the selections that one of these colors is gonna go on the wall. And I think I'm gonna leave that crown molding white. Leave the doors white. but I'm gonna change the color on the wall. Yep. Excuse me. And we've been working on the kitchen for what my husband bought me for Mother's Day. Excuse me. My chandelier. I gotta clean her up. So we're still doing some work on the kitchen. The kitchen is gonna be complete before anything else. I got it all mapped out for my island. Daddy also changed out my hardware, my pullers. He got me these pretty crystal pullers to go all throughout the kitchen. And we've working on this, a galvanized look, because I want my kitchen to be like a chef kitchen. So Daddy's doing everything in his power to make my dream kitchen a reality. We love him so much. He goes always above and beyond for our family. So, oh, there he is. Yep, there's my pullers. Yep, so I can't stand the boob lights, so we're gonna get rid of that one, but I'm gonna keep it a surprise as to what that's gonna be. This is where the island is gonna go. So yeah, so it's a work in progress. I still gotta do some artwork on that wall, and the refrigerator I always wanted. Daddy ordered it for me, and it'll be here next weekend. So I'm not gonna show too much because we're still working on things. So I just wanted to let y'all see that bird's nest. So keep following, and I'll keep y'all posted on the birds and when they hatch. All right, peace out, love you.